Alright, this is a video on how to develop the assignment page. It's really easy, really basic. All we're going to do is get some information into a Word document. This assignment page will be in the right after the divider in your notebook, and then you'll have the assignment page. It will list all the assignments for that week, and you will place after the assignment page, you will place the assignments in order as per the assignment page. So this will help you out to understand the process in getting the assignment page. We will be discussing this in class as well, but this is just some additional information. So let's go ahead and get going on this. So again, tcc.edu, I showed this on the welcome video, how to get to that. Click on Canvas, and then you will be here at this place. Again, going to my courses, and didn't quite get that in there. Let me go ahead and show you what you should see then. You should see your course. Our course right here is DFTG 1305. And then when you click into that, we're a little bit ahead of the game there. And then this is our home page. Again, the welcome video that I sent out, or trying to send out anyway. The YouTube's giving me some problems right now. But anyway, I'll get that posted there. And then the information for the video, this video that you're seeing right now, will be right here. The link will be right here, and I also have a link on Canvas. But right here will be the link for the video on how to make the assignment page. So that's where this video that I'm making right now will be. All right. So the next thing you want to do is go down here, and we discussed this in the welcome video, but if you find out, if you look carefully at it, I didn't have assignments up yet because one wasn't made. So I went ahead and made an assignment for the upcoming week. So you'll see assignments. You'll left click on assignments, and you'll see this packet 1. This is the first assignment for the week. Go ahead and click on that to open it up. And here is the information for week number 1. All right. So here's how you make the assignment page. So you come up here, and I'm going to have PowerPoints and some other links and stuff right under here. You don't have to copy that. Right here on the second one, it says Packet 1, due date. Start there and hold down the left mouse button and just select everything below that. All right. And once you get it selected, right click and go to Copy. And then open up a new Word document, blank document, and make sure you're in that. I always left click once and then right click again, and you can Control V as in Victor to paste it, or you can right click and go to paste, and there you have your assignment page. Now, this will be in portrait position, but I want to try to get that to one page, because on this one page, with this many in the class, I'm going to have to go through the assignments fairly quickly to grade them, and I don't want to be flipping a bunch of papers. I will have enough as it is. So, how do we get this to one page? All right, we want to try to get this to one page when you print it out. So you can do a couple things you can do. Right click and go to paragraph is the first thing you can do. Go to paragraph and don't add spaces. Click on that little box there, make sure it says single there, and hit OK. And we're still at 2 pages. Okay, so the next thing you can do is go up here to the layout, and then go to margins. And take those margins down to 0.5, which is fine. Let's see, did that work? That worked, okay? There's one other thing that you can do, but I won't cover that because typically this will work. Let me tell you what the other thing is, just in case it doesn't work. You can take out the homework. That doesn't have to be in there. I'm just grading the assignment. So you'll have the assignment here, and then I will look at it in your notebook. I'll flip over to it, and I'll give you the points, 25 points possible on this one, for example, and I'll give you the amount of points right here. I'll write it on there, and I'll give you a total at the bottom. All right? So once you get that all organized on one page, you're set to go. Put your name on it. Get your name on here. You can just type it in right next to the due date. If I can spell my name, that would work. And then print that out. Okay. 3-hole punch it. We'll talk all about this on Monday again. 3-hole punch it. And that goes right after your divider. So you have your notebook. You open your notebook. You have packet 1 divider. Flip that open. Then your assignment page goes right there. All right. And then all the assignments, like I said earlier, will go in order as per this assignment page. All right. And you'll do that for each week. And it'll be very easy. We have printers. We have 3-hole punches. And there, it's just very basic. But this will give you an idea to stay on track, how to stay on track with your assignments, and also make it easier for me to be able to grade them. So hopefully all that was helpful. Here again, you can review the video and watch over this as many times as you want to kind of get an idea on how to do that. It makes it easier. Right now, I have the, okay, it looks like the welcome video did post finally in YouTube. So I'll have this a link. Also, I'll get the link in Canvas as well, so you have it in 2 places. All right. Thanks so much for watching this. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask any questions. I'm here to help you any way I can. All right. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.